Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel where today tips is all about the most important dress of your life, the wedding dress selection, the perfect dress for your special day. But it is also in trying journey with possibility with so many any option available range from classes timeless style to mood unique design theories dress for every body to win choosing your wedding dress it is to factor such as your personal style, body type, and the overall of your fitting is to feel comfortable and confident on your big day and your dress schedule reflect your personality and on popular trend in a weekend is the wedding dress moved from floor fabrics such as this dresses are perfect for the home main outdoor wedding day relaxed style elegance for these dresses make them a choice for brides looking for a light bed and bang in inspired wedding if you are modern bride a sleek and simple wedding dress with minimal deletes is part of option you can statement jewelry here a goal to some personality and spark to your book when it come to accessories a statement jewelry is always a good choice a long bell a dream and elegance to your look will earning here a necklace can add some spark and personality in choosing your wedding dress is a personal journey that should make you feel confident, beautiful, and comfortable on your special day. Don't rush the process and take time to try on different style you find the on that with you. I hope you find this ideas a helpful and if you have any question here
शादियों के रोज के ड्रामों से परेशान क्योंकि ये
Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel where today's topic is all about any question or suggestion please feed
any suggestion please feel free to leave the option of elegance and coldness, weakening the sensitization of throat, branches the fluid bodies and wellness, croyd, stoning, cold hot with version fabrics such a will impress you and test you and finding the perfect ground for your special day. First up, we have the classes to elevate your look to new of elegance and personalization. Delicate, Julie, captivating valleys and whimsical flower can enhance your style, adding a touch of tradition or bohemian. Allow the magicness in the details and the perfect combination of accessories will make you feel truly unique and examination on your special day.
Wedding dress it is to
We
factors such as
understand
your
that
personal style,
wedding
body
dress is
type,
a
and the overall of your fitting is
significant
to feel
investment, but
comfortable
dress
and confident on your
as
big day,
that
and
accessories
your
will
dress
make
should
you feel truly
reflect
unique
your
and
personality. And one popular trend in
examination
a
on
recent year
your
is the
special day. We
wedding dress
understand
made
that
from
is a
flowery fabric such
confident
as
investment, but
these
dress
dresses are perfect for bohemian
shows
outdoor wedding.
that
The
we have
relaxed
only
style elegant
locally
for
stunning.
these dresses make
Remember
them
the
a choice
choice
for
that does
brides
not
looking for a late bed and
truly
bohemian
terminate
inspired wedding.
the
If you
beauty
are
of
a
the
modern
dress.
bride, a sleek
It's all about
and simple wedding dress
who it
with
makes you
minimal
feel. You need not
detail is
grind
a part
your
of
bank
option. You can
account
statement jewelry
to
or a gold
discover
to
the
some
perfect when
personality
you
and
wear
sparkle
when
to your book.
yeah,
When it comes to accessorize,
evening dress
a
is the
statement jewelry is always a good choice. A
face of
long bell
your
add
amble, the
drama
rigid
and elegance
accessories
to
or
your look, while
the power
earring
to
or a necklace can
elevate
add
your
some
look to new
sparkle and
heights of
personality.
allowance
In
and
choosing your wedding dress is personal journey that should make
personalization.
you feel confident,
Jewelry,
beautiful, and comfortable on your
captive
special
flower
day.
that is
Don't rush the process and take
entirely
time to
unique
try
to you.
on different style. You find the one that
Dermatag will
with you. I
confess for
hope
a
you found these ideas is
drafted
helpful,
from
and if you have
variety
any
of
question or suggestion,
fabrics,
please feel
tool
free
and
to leave
stone
a
and
comment down below. Don't forget to like the
embellished
video and
with
subscribe to my channel for more wedding
this
tips
dress style
and
offers
inspiration. I
an
like forward to
extra touch of
seeing you in my next video. Hello.
glamour of your
Today
seeking
topic is all
more.
about one of the most special moment in
Understand
your life.
the dress might be
Choice
the
of your perfect wedding dress
choose
with
this
cuteness, style,
style
and design
both
available. It can be
sleek and
over.
modern hot that
Choice the right one
tell
that
the body
your
more
personality,
from
body shape, and the overall
fabrics
feel
such
of
as
your
sleek,
however fear not.
gray,
I am here to guide you through some of the most popular trends and
ship
style for the
glasses
bohemian
can be
outdoor.
tried with
A
from
boho
lights,
check wedding dress
fabrics
is the
like
perfect choice. These
silk,
dresses are
crepe, and
from
can
light
be
and
paired
flowy
with
fabric like two with
accessories by
Details they are
adding
comfortable and elegant, perfect
carefully
for a
street
wedding ceremony. If
with
you are
and
a
has
class and
you
timeless
can
ride,
try
then
look that
gown
is
dresses with a
unique
fitted body
as
is and
you
full
wear
skirt is and function. These style are perfect
dramatic
formal and
well can
grand
enforce
and
touch
make you feel like
of
a true princess with necklace
precision
and
into
sleeves
your
option.
outfit.
You can
Will a
the look
delicate
to your
flower
recent air more and
launch
more of
with I
option for wedding dresses of the white.
complete understand that wedding dress can
I hope it was great for you are in selecting your gown dresses.
create look for the
Please
and
spray second to like this video, subscribe to my channel and
loving
press
dress is
notification
the
bell icon so you don't miss
animate
any
to
upcoming
this
videos. And these dresses are
short
perfect for
and
bohemian outdoor
fabrics like
wedding. These relax elegance of the dresses make them a
version
choice
fabrics
for
include
looking
tulle
for a
and
late and bohemian inspired wedding.
with
If you are modern bride,
their
a sleek and
everybody
simple
to
wedding dress
add
with
extra touch
minimal
of
details in is a part of
glamour.
option. You can statement jewelry or